Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I'm basically going to be showing you guys how to not have your desktop audio be delayed in OBS. So this was actually happening to me, and I didn't know what was happening, but anyway, I finally figured it out. I watched a couple different videos on it, and basically I watched a couple different videos on it, and they all kind of told me something different. But basically, the gist of it is that what you have to do is you have to click this little gear icon right next to the desktop audio, and then go to properties, and then in properties, the device, you switch it to whatever is down here. So for me, it's speakers such headphones, Realtek R audio. So you just make that the same, and then uncheck use device timestamps. And that was all I had to do to fix it. Now there's no delay. And like in Fortnite, like say I shoot a shotgun, it set the noise of shooting the shotgun and the gameplay, I guess, happens at the same time. It's all synced up. But this was just a really quick video on that. And then if you want to test if it worked or not, then just go into a game of Fortnite and record, and then check your recording and see if it worked. But if this video helped you out in any way, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I'll be catching you guys in the next one.